How to fix Wi-Fi network name not showing in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Wi-Fi network name not showing in iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to fix your iPhone's Wi-Fi network name not showing up, first you might want to try to restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, you press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and long press the side button until the Apple logo appears. After that, wait for your iPhone to restart. After that, also make sure that your airplane mode is not turned on. If it is, turn it off. After you've turned on off your airplane mode, what you'll need to do is enable your Wi-Fi as well. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on, and you might want to restart your router as well. So just press the restart button on the router and let's restart. After doing that, you can just go to your settings. Let's go to our settings, go to Wi-Fi, and from here you should be able to see all of the networks available. Now, sometimes some Wi-Fi are just hidden, so it will just not come up. In that case, just tap on the other option. Here, type in the network's name. Let's say it's hidden, and the password of it. After doing that, tap on join, and it will just locate the hidden network and then join the network for you. And it's that simple as well. And yeah, these are the only fixes. Now if you want, you can also restart or reset your network settings. For that, go to your general on your settings, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network settings. After you've reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.